Okay, we got it up here. Kinda emptied out these boxes. And it looks like we pretty much have the whole motor. The head's all disassembled. And I mean, I don't see anything that's like visibly terrible with it, but other than the cam lobes here. The cam lobes are definitely, that one's trashed. I don't know if you could see it. The cylinder still looks pretty good. The story I got is that this guy, when he bought this bike, it was two bikes and this was the extra bike. And they had rebuilt the motor for this, but supposedly the oil pump wasn't good. Some sort of issue with the oil pump. And it toasted the motor. That's why it's supposedly apart again. And then it looks like they were using some other parts. But from what I can see, it looks like almost the whole motor's there. But it's missing so much other stuff that I don't know if it's going to be worth putting it back together. The muffler is crushed on the end. It's missing the header. It's missing all the plastics. Missing the top of the airbox. What else did he say was missing? I see the suspension is leaking again. But it's got good rims, good tires, frame with the title. Could sell the suspension, the seat, the tank with the fuel pump, the starter, the cases. There's an extra spring. I mean, I definitely think I can make some money just selling the parts. But we'll have to really go through it all and see what we got. Not even so much the motor, just after the motor's in there, price out the exhaust. He said the CDI box was missing. I have to confirm that or not. I mean, I see some sort of module here. I don't know if that's the CDI though. But, I mean, parts are definitely worth something. It's a 2021. It's still pretty new. Got this stand with it too. But, we'll see what happens.